Ladies and gentlemen, in a few seconds, we will be live on live stream from Iligan City National High School. Please stand by.
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat and welcome to ICNH's Spotlight Podcast, kung saan binibigyang boses ang mga kwento, sining at mga taong ginawang makabuluhan ang kanilang pagpupursige. If you're tuning in with us right now, you're at the right spot this afternoon. Kami po ay live ngayong hapon, kaya sa lahat ng nanonood ngayon, hello sa inyo. Feel free to like, share, and comment.
Ngayong hapon, we're focusing on local music and local talent. Mga artistang nagpapatunay na hindi kailangang lumayo para makagawa ng musikang tumatagos sa damdamin. May mga kantang hindi mo kailangang ipaliwanag, mararamdaman mo na lang bigla.
Mga kantang kasama mo sa late nights, sa long rides o sa mga sandaling tahimik ka lang pero ang daming iniisip. Ihanda na ang sarili because this band can turn emotions into feelings.
Isang banda mula sa Iligan City na unti-unting nagpapansin ng maraming Pilipino dahil sa kanilang relatable songs. Kung narinig nyo na ang kantang Lapit, Dilag at DKMA, alam nyo na kung bakit maraming nakaka-relate sa kanilang mga kanta.
At ngayong January 16, handa na rin sila maglabas ng panibagong kanta na pinamagatang Insomnia. Ngayong hapon, makakasama natin sila hindi lang para magkwento, kundi para marinig ang musika mismo.
We have here our very own Harana Session!
Pataas na naman mga alon, nalulunod sa aking ilusyon. Ba't ganon? Sino yun? At ngayon kaliwa, naging kanan, nang biglang may napadaan. Nagising sa katotohanan, kau ang patutungo. Mahal, ikaw lang ang nakikita ng walang kong panig. Ikaw lang ang ilaw sa dilim. Direksyon lang tingin sa hilaga, abot tanaw ang iyong hiwaga. Di mo silangan at kanluran, ikaw pa rin ang patutunguhan. Ako'y sumalungat na sa alon, nakatugon sa iyong direksyon, matugon sa aking pag-ahon. Napadpad sa kailaliman ng karagatan, ika'y nakita at uminaw ang aking daan. Gabay tungo sa iyong kalungan. Mahal, ikaw lang ang nakikita ng walang kong paningin. Ikaw lang sa dilim. Diretso lang tingin sa hilaga, abot tanaw ang iyong hiwaga. Timog silangan at kanluran, ikaw pa rin ang patutunguhan. Ta-ta-ra-ra-ta-ta-ra, ra-ta-ta-ra-ra-ta-ta-ra, oh, ra-ta-ta-ra-ra-ta-ta-ra, ra-ta-ta-ra-ra.
It was Harana Sessions. Salamat kaayo for that wonderful talent that you have. And now, for our lovely viewers who are watching right now, would you mind introducing yourselves one by one?
Okay, so hi guys. Once again, we are Harana Sessions. So we are composed of 7 members in our band, and I'm Rodsel Ruedas. I'm one of the vocalists here.
And I'm Luke Padilla, vocalist too.
Hi guys, my name is Paul, guitarist 1.
Hi guys, my name is Pierce and I'm the rhythm guitarist. Guitarist 2.
Hi guys, I'm JC, the keyboardist. Yeah.
And we are Harana Sessions.
Alright, so we have members na hindi naka-join dito ngayon because of, other... Hindi ko alam. Pero yung drummer namin, which is Brian Capiral, and also our bassist, Dan Caprido. So,
Shout out sa inyo guys.
So that's Harana Sessions.
Hope you guys are good.
Nice to meet you po. We're your hosts for today. My name is Chloe Belza.
And I am Jair Balukan.
So, before we proceed, would you mind playing a little icebreaker po? Is that okay po?
Oh, okay. Cool.
So for our icebreaker, it's a game called One Word, One Answer. Are you down?
Down.
Up ako.
Up ka.
Okay. I'm down. Sige, okay. I'm down.
All right, let's start with the first word. So each po kayo mag-a-answer po. Is that all right?
Okay.
For the first word, we have music.
Love.
Aww.
Love.
Para ba?
Music is love.
Yes po.
I guess mine is passion.
I guess identity.
I like that.
I think expression.
Wow.
And for me, music is life.
Wow. In just one word, you describe music as your own. So let's move on to the next word. We have
the word Iligan City.
Waterfalls. Lakatimuga.
Coffee shops. Ay, one word. Siguro ano na lang siguro. Home.
Pater.
Family.
Home din.
So our next words are Harana Session. So what can you say about your group?
One word is not enough. Paano ba? Siguro one word for Harana Sessions, dreamers.
Best friends.
Sige, wala tayo space.
naka-dash lang.
Family.
Musik maunan ko. Friends.
Unfriendly ka late. Okay.
OPM.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you for your answers. So, how about the next word, which is songwriting?
For me, pwede ka muna pod. Una. Diba? Ako Jappy una. So, songwriting for me, one word that describes songwriting. I think heartfelt.
Ano, personal.
Feeling.
Experience.
And emotional.
Who's the best answer?
All of you po.
Sige, go.
So, with just one word, you've described your band for your identity. So, speaking of identity, would you mind asking some few questions about your music journey? Yeah? So, may mga tracks kayo na ramdam ng mga fans such as Lapit, Dilag, and of course, my personal favorite, Di Ka Magiging Akin. And I know a lot of Gen Zs relate to that song. So, for your first question, how did Di Ka Magiging Akin formulate? Paano po siya nabuo?
Okay. So, I think the DKMA was written by me and Rodsel. And then, yung full gist talaga ng song is, it was an inspiration of some kind of person na kahit na ginawa mo na yung lahat, binigay mo na yung lahat. At the end of the day, the person will never be yours. Kumbaga, it's technically based on my experience. So, also, di din sa akong experience, akong friends po. So, yeah. I fell in love with an student here there is sa City High. Before. Secret. Yun lang. So, it's kumbaga yung person na kahit na everything is going smoothly, but at the end of the day, yung environment and yung culture yung magsasabi na you're not for each other. So,
Basically, the song actually tells you that sometimes love is not enough.
yeah.
Yeah. And parang
True.
yung fate is, or yung destiny is against your relationship with that person. Something like that.
Thank you very much. That explains why a lot of people connect with your music.
And indeed, I think I can relate sa inyong song that is Di Ka Magiging Akin.
Bakit?
Parang sick.
Bakit naman?
Anong
Bakit
story
naman?
doon?
Baka
Anong
may
story doon?
Next question.
Story time muna tayo. Bakit ganito?
Ngayon kami naman magtatanong bakit naman sige.
No, in conclusion, I am that.
Sige, share mo. Oh, lagyan yung tubig dito, guys. Mag-open forum muna kami.
No. Maingon ay yeah. Lahat sito galit. So that with love nowadays bitaw no na ang ako rin na realize is that dili jud nato mapagos ang tao if dili jud sila para sa to. So yes.
Yun.
So let's proceed to the next question na lang.
Let's go.
So, with this new song na inyong i-release this January 17, right?
16.
16. Sorry for that. Yes, this January 16. It's called Insomnia. So, anong inspiration behind Insomnia?
Okay, so I wrote this song, Insomnia. So, basically this song, sinasabi nito kung anong natural process na ginagawa natin pag yung isang tao na sanay na tayo doon, biglang nawala. Ganon. Yung same routine ka na kasi nandyan na siya araw-araw, and then one day, bigla na lang siyang naglaho. Ganon. So, anong process doon? And mostly, naririnig ko kasi kapag mga recent breakups kasi anong nafe-feel mo ngayon? Na hindi ako makatulog, hindi na ako gusto kumain. Ganon kasi. And I wanted to put that in a song and try to say it directly. But ganon. So, basically, this song tells you or tells the viewers or the listeners that breakups are hard. Ganon.
So, Indeed, heartbreak is really hard, you know.
Relate ka?
Yeah, we know.
Oh, wait. Magulat siguro sa inyong kanta nga i-release. Ako yung pinakauna maminaw.
Nice.
Okay.
So for our next question, aling kanta ang pinaka-proud kayo bilang banda?
Okay.
For me, song na my most proud of is yung ano talaga, yung Insomnia. Kasi we poured out lots of things, we sacrificed many things, no, to produce this song. No, we even traveled to Baguio to record it. Yeah, and thankfully, yung result naman is very nice. At yeah, excited yung listeners namin, pero yung mas excited kami talaga yung mas excited sa song namin. Kasi yun yung parang fruit ng sacrifices namin, and nag-try kami ng best para punta dun, at yun, binigyan kami thankfully ni Lord. Yeah, so hopefully yung mga listeners namin is masaya kapag
And I'd like just to add kung bakit Insomnia. Kasi I think it's okay to mention. Kasi proud din kami kasi sa song na yun. Kasi yung nag-produce ng kantang yun is one of the best producers in the Philippines, which is si Kuya Shadow, Shadil Chan. Yung nag-produce ng Multo.
Siya ang producer ng whole songs of Cup of Joe,
Yes.
Over October. So siya na din yung nagiging producer ng Harana Sessions. So yeah,
Okay po,
we're
like-
very much happy on it.
Personal question po, ano po yung favorite song nyo from Cup of Joe?
Parang iba-iba tayo, di ba? Ano yung sa'yo?
If sa akin, siguro yung celebration nila ng Sandali. Yung latest. Kasi parang relatable siya sa amin as a band na daming experiences and a lot of things going on until sa umabot sa time na nag-celebration na lang yung paggagawa ng music. So yeah.
Yung akin yung Pahina. Yun yung best or favorite song na gusto ko sa kanila. It talks about chapters of life and chapters about person. Ganun.
Ako is actually Pahina po, pero Maria naman. So, I guess siguro, Mananatili is because wala, ang gist sa song kay Nice Kayo. Walang strong band.
sa akin yung yung OG, Cinderella.
Same po, same.
Okay.
Same. Yes.
Para sa akin siguro para sa akin City. Siguro Multo. May mga para sa akin sobrang lalim ng kanta eh. Kasi may mga it talks about our dead dreams like that. Iba-iba tayo ng mga multo sa buhay.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So for our next, if it's okay, pwede po ba kayong mag-cover ng Cup of Joe song? Or unsa man? Or what about yung yes po, yung yes po. Yes po.
Okay.
Sige.
Tanda ko pa nung una kitang nakilala, yung mahit paliwanag ang aking nadarama. Gulong-gulo ang isip at aking puso. Gusto ko lang sabihin ang aking damdamin sa'yo.
Kahit di mo ko pansinin, pakinggan mo lang damdamin.
Di maibalik kahit ano kong pilit. Ang kaya kong ibigay na pag-ibig tatanggapin. Di ka magiging akin. Ang aking damdamin, aking pagtingin di maibalik.
Alam mo ba, mga nilang ay nawawala o kinukontra lahat ng nais. Gawin ka lang, Reyna, gusto ko lang na may madarama pag-ibig mula sa'yo. O pwede nga ba kahit di mo ko pansinin, pagbigyan mo lang aking nais.
Di maibalik kahit ano kong pilit. Ang kaya kong ibigay na pag-ibig tatanggapin. Di ka magiging akin. Ang aking damdamin, aking pagtingin di maibalik. O teka lang, pati mo bang damdamin ko'y handang-handang sumagal para sa'yo? Paano ng puso ko handa? Pwede bang ito na lang piliin mo? O pwede nga ba, pwede nga ba?
Kahit di mo ko pansinin, kahit di mo ko kaya tanggapin, alam mo ang tanging hiling, ika'y makapiling at ika'y mahalin.
Di maibalik kahit ano kong pilit. Ang kaya kong ibigay na pag-ibig tatanggapin. Di ka magiging akin. Ang aking damdamin, aking pagtingin.
Ang aking damdamin,
Aking pagtingin, di maibalik.
Wow! Grabe, ang ganda at ang sakit ng atmosphere kahit live lang tayo, no? That's why they're called the Cup of Joe ng Iligan City.
And hopefully, we're praying that you will be recognized nationally and globally po.
Best
Yeah.
thing.
So now that we've talked about the music, let's talk about the people behind it and your journey. So for your first question, balikan naman natin kung paano nabuo at simula ng Harana Sessions.
Alright, so to answer on this one, actually we started way back. Ay nagsimula po kami na duo lang po talaga. So it started with me and Paul here at the back. So I don't know if you guys are familiar. Nagsimula kami ng ang band name po namin. Hindi siya band name, parang acoustic duo name namin is Harana Iligan. So that was us before way back 2019. Tama no? Yeah, 2019. So, yung inspiration talaga namin before was just to serenade people, yung mga may nag-hire sa amin na magpapaharana sila, yung mga magjojowa, may mag-propose. So, yun yung mga usual na ginagawa namin before. So, nangyari lang talaga na nabuo yung Harana session as a band way back 2023. when we were invited as to be guest na mag front act for Mr. Andrew E. I don't know if you guys are familiar or naalala niyo pa ba yun. 2023 dito sa Iligan. And then yun, medyo awkward kasi kumbaga mag-perform kami as a duo tapos yung mga kasabayan naming banda is full band sila. So, nangyari, nag-invite na ako kasi I was also a member of Echoes sa MSU IIT. So, doon ko na-meet si Rodsel. Si Rodsel din is Echoes. JC is Echoes. Adam is Echoes. Paul is Echoes. So, all of us are Echoes. So, yeah, and also some of my friends were from church too. So, if you guys are, shout out na lang din sa mga Singles for Christ namin family dyan. So yun, singles lang. So yun yung start talaga na nabuo si Harana Session as a band. So nag-perform, first band performance namin was with Andrew E. And yung final member na namin ngayon, doon na siya sa time na, sino nga yun? Si Paulo Santos. Oh yeah, nag-front kami with Mr. Paulo Santos. So doon nabuo si Harana Sessions band na talaga kami noon na time. Yeah.
So wow, you've been through a lot, no? Guys, nag-start gud mo duara, and then if it's meant to be, if it's meant to happen, it will happen, Jude. Yeah. So with the next question, kailan nyo na-realize na ang musika hindi lang hobby, kundi isang bagay na gusto ninyong seryosohin?
I guess iba answer. But I guess all of us talaga merong feeling talaga na gusto seryosohin yung music. And sometimes marami kasi hindrances when it comes to pursuing your passion.
Yeah.
Ganun. Pero siguro nung nag-gather na kami as Harana Sessions as a full band. Pero nag-start talaga kasi ng hobby yan eh. So we did a cover on our TikTok, and as a full band we perform Makis Dilaw. And then na-shock na lang kami kasi nag-hit siya sa TikTok. And it
Mabot siya ng almost 1 million views.
And nag-went viral siya. At parang may mga realizations din gano'n na may mga tao parang gusto marinig sa atin. Ano? And what if we make our own music? Ganun.
Siguro nag-click na lang kumbaga diretso yung hearts namin ba. Na like, parang automatically hindi na namin tinanong with each other, are we going kung ipapursue ba namin siya. Parang binigyan na kami ng sign ng environment na I think you guys should do it. So kaya pinush namin, with that gumawa kami ng original songs na din namin diretso. So yeah. How about kayo? May baka magustong ikaw?
Yeah. I agree. Siguro
yes.
Yeah. Siguro tama yung sinabi ni Rodsel na nagsisimula talaga yun sa isang hobby. And also, we do music not just to impress but also to express. Sometimes we feel sad, sometimes we feel happy. So, kumbaga, music is life. Sabi pa nga ni Luke. And later on, kasi nga may mga tao talagang sumusuporta, kaya this is a sign sa universe na i-push through talaga namin. Yeah, that's it.
Actually, same lang sa kanila din. Actually, it always starts as a hobby. And I guess siguro, I don't know for them, pero for me, I actually see music as a, parang something na gusto kong seryosohin. Kasi I think, I also, maybe because I grew up in a family of music, my parents are musicians, so nakita ko siguro na how nice it is to, while earning, di ba, you're doing the thing that you love the most, which is doing music. And I guess siguro, personally, nakita ko kasi sa mga bandmates ko na I really see something na nasa kanila na wala sa mga previous bands ko or bandmates. It's because also of the bonding siguro, yung mga kulitan namin is parang memorable talaga siya. So, what siya? Following the second question, memorable. Nakita ko sa yung next question. Pero actually yun kasi, pag magkasama kami, parang magkakasama, parang wala kaming ibang ano, parang walang audience. So parang yun, weirdo. Yun. Ay, ako lang siguro. So yun na siguro. Yeah, I really do believe na they have something na which gives me the best I have. Morgan na bitaw. So kato lang siya.
Yung sa akin is gusto kong seryosohin yung music kasi same with Paul. Yung family namin is musicians and growing up nakikita namin yung uncles and aunties namin nagper-perform sa stage at saka if may mga events sa family pinapakanta nila talaga kami at saka yung influence na din sa mga bands for me John Mayer shout out shout out Gao John Mayer it's nice to see while performing the people shouting your name or shouting your band's name and it's inspiring if one day baka yan yung sa akin.
So thank you so much po. Your answers were really inspiring kasi di lang siya nahimong expression ang music, so murag nahimo na siya ninyong sense of identity. And for our next question, if kung makakausap niyo po inyong younger selves, ano ang masasabi ninyo?
Joke. Ano masasabi ko siguro, I am proud of you. Yun lang. I'm proud of who you've become. Oh, eh. Na para ba? Anong sasabihin mo sa sarili mo?
Siguro, just keep going.
Yung matubag mo siya, guway.
Proud of you. Yan lang.
Same lang. Keep going. Ganun. Don't stop believing. Kasi
Hold on to the feeling.
There's gonna be a lot of trials, but trust me, just keep going. I don't know.
Ba yun? Kailangan seryoso.
Okay, thank you so much for that. Very inspirational, Jude, no? So, kay tense mo to gamay earlier. So, now mag-chill muna tayo with fast talk.
Fast talk. Siguro mabagal to.
So are you ready po?
Sorry
Sige.
sa humor namin, guys.
Sige. How do we do this?
We will ask one question and
For specific or kami lahat?
isa-isa po kayo mag-a-answer.
Ay, okay.
Okay, go.
Sige.
Alright, let's start. Acoustic or electric?
Acoustic ako.
Acoustic.
Acoustic.
Electric.
electric.
Original songs or cover song?
Original songs.
Original.
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 Grabe ka sila, no?
Small gigs or big stages?
Big stages ako.
Big stages.
Big stages.
Big stages.
Big stages.
So we hope to see you in the big stages. So studio recording or live audience?
Live audience.
Live.
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 Alright, next. Night jam or morning practice?
Night jam, please.
Night jam. Tulog pa ako sa morning.
Night jam din.
Morning practice.
Wow!
Sure. Night jam.
Early morning, pasabot. Early morning practice.
Early morning practice kayo, pa nakatulog. So, kape or energy drink?
Bawal ako po.
Acidic man eh.
Sige, kape na lang, kape.
Coffee.
Coffee din.
Salted caramel macchiato.
Ice chocolate.
Matcha?
Bito. Coffee na siguro. Coffee. Yeah.
Sad songs or happy songs?
Medyo madlangay ko ni gumaygo.
Sappy. Sappy
Siguro,
songs.
pwede both ako, both.
Sad songs.
Happy songs.
Happy songs.
Happy songs.
Sad songs.
So, lyrics first or melody first?
Ako, lyrics first ako.
Mm,
Actually, ako both.
Ako, melody first.
Melody first.
lyrics first siguro.
OG. How about chill vibe or hype crowd?
Oh. Hype crowd.
Hi, proud.
Both.
Hype crowd.
Hype crowd.
Ngayon, let's proceed. So, maraming students o Gen Z ang may passion pero natatakot magsimula. So, bilang musicians, anong advice ang mabibigay ninyo sa kanila?
Okay, for me, I think siguro we're not it's coming from a person na hindi pa talaga umabot sa dream goal namin. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin na it's very important to really work with your dreams on kasi yun nga we started just vibing along, nagdi-dream lang kami tapos talagang pinursige namin. So di mo kasi makakita yung results unless you do it eh. So that's why we did it with not just seryoso but naging masaya kami sa kung paano namin ginagawa. Kaya everything just flows, the results flow. So sa mga aspiring musicians out there who's really wanting to, you know, make music, hindi hadlang na taga Mindanao tayo guys. Just wanted to share na Mindanao is just a name of a place but your heart and music can make a name anywhere else. So yeah. Yun yung gusto kong sabihin lang.
Yeah, I actually believe in the saying kasi na if you're doing the thing that you love, you never work a day in your life. Ganon. So, if you're... ChatGPT lang yun.
Grabe yung mga words of wisdom. Siguro personally, I would advise the aspiring musicians there to just continue doing what you love, and it may be hard, but I know at the end of everything will be worth it. Yeah.
My advice is go out. Go out. Kasi maraming musicians na-stuck up lang sa sa rooms nila and So if you really want to pursue it, then go out, show yourselves, market yourselves. Kasi even posting a simple cover or your original song in Facebook or TikTok will lead you to places, no? So, yan.
Same lang siguro. Yun. Same lang just show yourself. Post your stuff, reels or 'di ba? Marami namang platforms ngayon, Instagram reels or YouTube clips because I believe artists nowadays is nanggaling din sa 'di ba? Posting their reels like Adi or yeah. So ayun lang. Show yourself.
So, it is really take the risk or lose the chance. So, when you take your risk, it comes with great responsibility. So, so with that, paano nyo na-handle ang mga criticisms na na-receive ninyo?
If criticisms lang, dami na namin na-receive.
Marami na.
Iba't ibang
Marami na.
criticisms. But I think the only thing na dapat namin i-appreciate is we're happy doing a thing. So, happy kami sa ginagawa namin. So, kahit na may sabihin yung ibang tao. So, palabay ra gyud sa dalunggan. At least we're happy doing our stuff.
So thank you so much for your answers. I think a lot of not just students pati mga individuals na ganahan jud mag-pursue og music pero nangahadlok jud sila. Yes. So take the risk jud guys. And so for the next question po, nung hard times nyo po, ano po yung nagpo-push ninyo to push forward?
Okay, so hard times. paspas kinena si Paro. Siguro sa hard times namin, kung ako lang ha, in my own personal beliefs, pag nakakita ko kasi yung mga kasama ko, I think nawawala yung hard times eh. Kasi, I don't know, pag magpa-pressure kami, let's just say, pang time na pumunta kami ng Cebu, we did our first ever performance sa SMC side there. Kami yung naging main act. So, pressure kami nun. So, once nakikita ko lang yung mga kasama ko, nawala bigla yung pressure eh. Kasi, yan nga. And,
Nag-enjoy lang kasi.
nag-enjoy lang kasi kami. Siguro, handle ng pressure din if yung time na pumunta din kami ng Manila, first kami nag-perform sa Makati, at so, nangyari din yun mga lahat ng bagay na first time. So, possible kung ako lang mag-isa siguro, di ko kaya yun. Pero once na nakita ko yung mga kasama ko, na we're just having fun, enjoying stuff. So, yan lang. Yan yung thing na hinahandle namin na pag nakita namin isa't isa. So, nawawala yung pressure.
Ganun.
Yeah. Amen.
So with that no, na ingon mo nga, it is better nga na adjud mo kauban. But how about ka-importante ang trust sa inyong sarili. So like, how would you compare it with the group bitaw nga kanang feeling? So, yes.
Trust with ourselves. Again nga, siguro wala akong trust sa sarili ko. Siguro yung mga kasama, mas may trust ako sa mga kasama ko with them sa amin. So parang, if we don't have the trust in ourselves, yung mga kasama namin nagbibigay ng saligpud sa mua ba. So, nabuboost kami with each and every one of us.
So
Tama ba?
yes, also
Yeah.
yes, if you wouldn't be who you are as a group if wala jud mo tanan no.
Yes,
So
yes.
So
Yeah. So for the next question po, I know sa inyong journey, di na siya permi like roses, nagyo na siya thorns. So what mistake yun nga naka-help sa inyong growth?
What mistake naka-help sa aming growth?
Oh, mistakes. Marami kasi.
Oh.
Joke lang.
Siguro with the mistakes, ano kasi kami, parang mas maayon na kami na lang ang mabadlong sa among mga kauban. Kumbaga, we're doing a culture sa aming team na if someone has a wrongdoing or medyo na behind ka aning apart, tinutulungan namin each other. So, tama ba? If mistakes ang storyaan, kami pa ba? Sige, may kasayop. Ano lang, no? So, amo lang yung ginaisip ang...
Siguro, alam namin na we're not afraid to make mistakes.
Yeah,
kasi
that's it.
yung mistakes na naman yung magpapagrow sa amin.
Part din siya eh.
Yeah.
So yes, mistakes are part of the process. So with that,
I think it's sad to say that we're nearing to the end of our podcast.
so bago tayo magtapos, paano kayo masusuportahan ng ating mga audience?
Alright, so sa lahat ng mga viewers here sa radio station, I would like to invite you guys to follow us on our Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok. It's Harana Sessions, and you guys can also subscribe to our YouTube channel because we are currently active na on YouTube. So yeah, and syempre sa mga fan din ng OPM, we're also doing original music, so you guys can stream us on Spotify, Apple Music, and all other music platforms. So it's Harana Sessions.
Yay!
Yeah.
And also, don't forget to stream their new song, Insomnia, this January 16.
Yeah. Shoutout din sa mga tao na hindi pa nakakatulog dyan, no?
Yes.
So, hindi pa nakakatulog and nakaka-move on. So, I think guys, bagay na bagay sa inyo yung upcoming song namin. Dedicated to sa lahat ng mga sinaktan ng sobra. So,
Insomnia coming out this Friday.
January 16, Friday.
Yeah.
And with that, let's hear once again the Harana Session!
By the way, thank you so much everybody. Salamat sa pag-invite sa amin.
Guys.
Sa maganda mo mukha, tila'y nabiyang unang ang iyong ngiti nakaakit-akit naman talaga. Pag nakikita kita, tila iba ang kumpa. Ito nang gayuma mong dala-dala. Hindi na mapigilan, damdamin kong nawawala, nalulunod sa iyo.
Sa tuwing kasama ka, laging natutulala. Kapag ako'y tinitigan, di ako makawala. O tila musika, ang boses mong sa puso'y kumakanta. Sa bawat himig, ako'y nahuhulog na. Alaway, hindi na mapigilan, damdamin kong nawawala, nahuhulog sa iyo.
Pakiusap lang, pakinggan mo naman, ang pusong ikaw lang ang laman, ikaw lang ang laman.
Hindi naman ito ipipilit sa iyo, pero sana'y meron kang alam sa dinadamdam.
Dahil ikaw ang naiisip sa umaga, sa tanghali, hanggang sa punan.
O pakiusap lang, pagbigyan mo naman na aking matanaw-tanaw-tanaw ang iyong tila.
Ibibigay ko ang lahat sa iyo, pati ang puso kong walang kalaban-laban.
Oras-oras, minu-minuto, maghihintay hanggang puso ko
Pakiusap lang, pakinggan mo naman, ang pusong ikaw lang ang laman, ikaw lang ang laman.
Hindi naman ito ipipilit sa iyo, pero sana'y meron kang alam sa dinadamdam.
O dahil ikaw ang naiisip sa umaga, sa tanghali, hanggang sa punan.
O pakiusap lang, pagbigyan mo naman na aking matanaw-tanaw. Sing!
Matanaw-tanaw,
Wow, matanaw, one more time. Matanaw-tanaw, matanaw-tanaw-tanaw ang iyong tila.
thank you.
Maraming salamat Harana Sessions sa oras, kwento at musika na ibinahagi ninyo ngayong hapon.
At sa lahat ng nanonood ng live, thank you for staying with us. Support local music, support local artists.
Hanggang sa muli.
gentlemen, in a few seconds, we will be live on live stream from Iligan City National High School. Please stand by.
This is the live presentation of Iligan City National High School.